Okay guys, so Pawsom Fun and Frugal, Gretchen here. I want to jump on here and let you know I'm gearing up for a van life adventure here in the next few weeks. And to a little birthday present to myself, I went on, I watch my favorite YouTubers, van lifers. And my very favorites are a few of the folks in Canada. I really like Canada. If I could ever live there and I didn't have family here, I would totally do it. But, Anyway, they probably wouldn't let me in now. Anyway, I just wanted to share something I decided to go and buy myself for an early birthday present to get me inspired for new van life adventures. I'm gonna be making a trip back to California to see family and enjoy a little beach time, California sunny weather time, I hope. These days it's just as unpredictable down there as it is here in Oregon. So let me show you what I got. So here's the package that came, and let's see. It doesn't have a lot of like the sender info on it. But I like this. It says recycle me again, so this is an already recycled package. So let's see what's in it. Okay, let's see what we got. So this should be from Van Life Plus. So Matthew, thank you for my shipment of my order I got a Drive People Crazy women's tank top and a Get Your Poop in a Group women's tank top. So if you follow Van Life Plus, you'll know what we're talking about. These are I haven't bought myself new clothes in a long time, and I'm on a thing where I'm not going to buy any new clothes here in the US for a while, anything new. So I decided, well, then I guess I'll buy something from Canada. And so here we go. Oh, look. So, this is interesting. So, okay. I thought that was... So here is the tank top. This tank top says, get your poop in a group. And I think this is backwards, but so, oh, and it's still Stella and Penny. If you followed Van Life Plus, you know that Stella got to the end. She went to the Kitty's Rainbow. She's in a different place now. She's moved on. Probably watching over Matthew and Penny. So that's one of my little gifts to myself. Very nice. I like it. And then the other one is a gray one that says, be happy, it drives people crazy. So those are my two. I already have one I bought a couple years ago. One of the older ones that he had. So that's my little gift to myself. I thought I'd share with you guys that I'll be taking with me on my van life adventures. So I'm only going to show this, but this is from Canada. So guess what's here? Let's open this up and see what it is. I know what it is. I wanted to share with you that my little thing I bought myself finally arrived. So let's check it out. So let's check this out. This is from Emmy. So if any of you know Cat Van Lady, I'll show you in a minute. This, I ordered myself some stickers and patches from Emmy. If any of you watch her channel, that's Kelly. That's so cute. The Cat Van Lady. See? Cat Van Lady. It's easier to see. Cat Van Lady. Yep. So this, I'm not sure what I'm going to put it on. So thank you, Emmy, for sending the stickers that I got. I will be proudly finding a home for it somewhere in my van, because I have a minivan with the interior still, it's a no build, so I still have a cloth interior. So I thought this would be better. I can pin it up somewhere in my van. And actually, I'm thinking it would look good on one of my window covers in the back that don't ever come out. So I want to see where we can get this put up. And of course the sticker, it'll probably go right on my cabinet or something. But we'll find good places for it. So now I have my tank tops from Van Life Plus and my stickers from the Cat Van Lady. So thank you. So I am trying to support my favorite Canadians in these difficult times. So I did what I could do. I wish I could have bought more from them, but I'm inspired by what a lot of Canadians are doing these days, so I got inspired to make these purchases even though I'm broke. Alright, hope you liked the video.